I don't despise prophecy. But the rate as a Ghana has said no. What can I hear? That the first pa na Nyankopon hye nkom Ghana. So that be Nyankopon kasa. What you say? Eti dem person me can say asofo bi last 4 years, last 8 years. I catch you say under nanado Ghana bears a heaven. You know what way? Ghana it is heaven. Ya was na vice president yes obedi ayi. Obeka tell say so sourcing will be the thing of the past. The campaign message no. And the so sourcing a busu o ma ban mi. The fact is say yenya generational leaders. We don't have generational leaders. And subsequently, I mean, who generational leader be or MPP and answer in this. They are all stomach politicians. Like I say, and they are so funny. Wait, so they are no ashamed come. We be winning. We so they are no ashamed come. We be wait, so they are no ashamed come. They say, "Omu dia hin." And the emfa. And then I saw for it. They said, "There, your mind is kaka credit pe." Now say come there. Nyankopon no frame me no. So ti me hwame a. And the politician dey bet na hwame o. Ade asi ade hye ya dwemu no. Ya ma politicians you see asofo. Sabi asofo binum e Ghana ha. E binum so nim se om de mo afofo nyema bim. Eti party binum ba omo ba chire omunti. Omo forso amasa party na wini. We don't do that.
Afi se na enyina enim se eye abato afede ma o man Ghana. Ebisi montin so akwakoto aba. E de ache ya dwen ache nipa omba no medi yesise ma peni no. Edu abato afede aso ya na ehu se ne asofo no bebre. Eba bontin ebe hyenkoma fidie so anyanwanwa asofo no bebre na e na aba bontin aba be hyenkoma fa afia bato na nkomhye ni nyina no e kire se yema mpeni abede echi yema mpeni abede echi Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia ono e na afia konwa no eko ede amano asofo bebre na aba bontin a aba be hye sankom ebi nso e hyenkom e de yema mpeni dada John Dramani Mahama na nia arezi concern se bi kra kire se mpeni dada John Dramani Mahama no kra no onti akopapa na pomudi no ensisi so yi wo hwe campaign na oye na energy bia kra eni ebi so kra so be vice president no edien e na otimi ye ya ode no ho eba beto Bawumia ene oye vice president ni ma bibia Bawumia eye wenum nyina ne consensus a ekoso e wa battle ho na sofo ba kwa ayensa aka no studio ha ono ene asofo na e hye nkom e kire se Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ene bedi akonwa no one wo mo nya adwene o kire se no kwasem se bi kra nkom hye no kra po no ebi mo hye nkom a ambam se nyom kan yesa na enti ne yensa ka prophet Sifa Frimpong e wo studio ha ye no e ba ba chichi nkom tika no ho ne ma papa akwa aba papa che mo akwa aba
me jo so bi ni aba
papa baby afre
boko me ho den se heaven boba no
papa fi e ya bato afi asofo bi na na ba bonti abehye nkom a hwe se ne nkom hye ne trender e ko na ni nyina e kire se ye mampeni abede kire otisu Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia ono e na konwa no e ko de ama no papa ya na otin se bi se ni function ya na oje ne se
yo madam ase say madam ase bebre se akonya we ya de ama me na in fact ya na makoma e bleeding one enye se metia enkomhye but eti ehu ni ye se enipa etie na ase no omo different political parties obi beka say emre bia na atwam na awrade ma enkomhyefo ko hye nkom ekoyi adifo perfect no mo na sorry ano that time no mo na sorry ano but this time no we enkomhyeni now da sorry ano e so sure ka say because enye eda say MPP and say NDC for nko a e go sorry dem ho. And at the end of the day, no, all the division, ba asori nim. And tinya se menye nkomhye ni meje komhye di. But the rate I say asofo adifo ya respect wom do mo ho enunu politics mo no. Ya ba be say at the end of the day ni sa mamu a Nyankopon na atwa antro na say wo na wa hu ni yi. Eno no ni asem no. Ana me ameti hoyi. MPP NDC omnyamnye obi ani da me ka wati ase Ghana ye problem ye miensa pe MPP NDC ana sabi Jimmy
ka Ghana problem
ano ni sa nyema miensa we yetimi yi free Ghana mu a ye bako ye nim difference between MPP and NDC ni say we dey ye oson ana we dey ye chinye eno ano no but they are the same people. We can say oba beye we oba menye we oh we ya we oba na we repeat the same thing 32 years no MPP ni this in faso be no dia man.
Papa ye share MPP de ya wukanya na Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo Oba na campaign message kese ba akopa e free SHS. Ye man pini da John Dramani Mahama no so be di ade no. Ono so kire se waye affordable housing waye yi akwan mo green book no krampo no e ba bonte na akwan bebra waye yi any school adan e blocks bebra na papa no esisi. Nti se wo kire se we ba na so ka se we yi we no ebro ba be no me ye hwea. Ene ye ti Ghana ha free SHS no e koso.
Free SHS nya body. But busa won say edum bempen so say. Unim say na ye ti heli. Headmasters for parents for church so mo fa di anemra. Enti say Ghana esi atenase enya a plan, national plan. Aban bia ba sa plan odiso. Oko America se sia me no ka se ya. Aban bi obeba bia no omo plan a omudi. But Ghana we ba se may we affordable house na this for year no. MPP for I go say.
Oh say I no MPP for ne buy no omo kire say budget a this for ne kire somebody here dan no. Omo we dan ni sika na omo kana ase sika ni bia for baby so omo hwehwem.
The same thing 90s for so beba on beka just say free SHS. Budget tom ka kire so omo nya no sika na ye den afa baby. And wetin na make ka kire say MPP NDC and I said Jimmy and only Ghana for your problem. Because two political parties we obia ba obeka se we ya wanye ni yi. Enti asofo no ndo omho for the for it. Hwe entokwa besi Ghana ejina asofo so. Asofo na bema entokwa besi Ghana.
Enti na papa o kan sa.
We say we be wini. We say we be wini. Enti abubu aba no na we ye wini. Na we ka say ye ka se be wini ti ma wini a wana dey tokwa ba. What do you know?
Okay.
Let me go what you say. Because ya nya so for share and komama vice president Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and nya so for share and komama former president John Dramani Mahama and say obi anim say aba no wini ya bobo aba ni wie na ba kwa wini a on ka say ba kwa wi am because they catch him say me wini
papa say nya afi so ne afi edi kan asofo aba moti e be hyenkom afi bia asofo hyenkom ebi de bam ebi de so mem
ana make catch we say esa asofo no mu ja sa there because omu gu awurade hu fi ayenim guase say asofo be catch kire o man say awurade say we na be wini ne ba bobo aba no wini wan na di intro no woni ndom bia tato om ya no bia tato say wa anya ho adwuma dabi ade ba kwa asi ehu ne yi asi ani say asofo mo Ghana ha awurade from so mumra emehwe ni nwan so. That's what I say. I don't despise prophecy, but the rate as a Ghana has say no what can here 31st pa na Nyankopon hye nkom mo Ghana ha aso da bia Nyankopon kasa. Okay, what you say eti dem person me can say asofo bi last 4 years last 8 years I catch here say under Nana Addo Ghana bears a heaven. Me know to way Ghana it is heaven. Aha! Eti nyame na di nto anase sofo na di nto.
Papa say Ghana so it is heaven and no so nche say sofo na di nto anase nyame di nto fi say Bible no kra che say mre ni bekwa wi ya emre mu odin beba. Enya Ghana nkwa ni mu ayede. Baby bebre ho mu ayede. It is Ghana.
But bobo mamiti.
Oh,
e mu ayede ne.
Omo chese UK de na se me no ka say kra UK for kra asore wo immigrant na won
say that is the problem wa ye wo man mu oko kan ba bia yes ba bia e boy den ba bia den ma me no tie UK for omo oil omo gold omo bauxite omo diamond omo timber eti edun kwa se bia ho tutu obi ayasabe yempani fom di anim no o mafuti no omwo ho ye wa say na vice president a ye so obedi ayi obeka kire ye say sourcing will be the thing of the past. The campaign message no and the sourcing a busu o ma ban mu The fact is that you generational leaders. We don't have generational leaders. And subsequently, I mean, who generational leader be or MP and answer in this? They are all stomach politicians.
I'm not your man penny Dr. Muhammad. They have batches digitalization. The so-called hospitals.
Oh, look at the guy who are failing.
I a computerized. They're quite a fast walk on. Or just a OCCM was up.
Manunim. You are confined by not because of digitalization, but because of the economy. I don't know better say the economic whiskey. Wizard, or better not 10 years. It's a no better just digitalization. I mean, you see, I said the Omodi Ghana grown. Ghana is a serious nation. It's like politicians are doing try error. No. We need serious people to rule this nation. What I say? And the so for Ninya, wait so that no Hashem come, where be winning, where so that no Hashem come, where be where so that no Hashem come. They say, Omudia, and the Emfa.
Papa also, Castle did say, and come show.
And come show.
What has a Bible, somewhere in the sea, and he saw him. And he said, Bia, my penina or Pracunia, and I know Pracunia, but also for no, Nanya may be a chest of one, only price of a
ah, men cousin whom was welcome. The fact is, I didn't tina almost your politics and one who was on them. A badru wa Anna, president, vice president. Yeah, but election be a numerous on them. I did it after 4 years, you know. I'm going on them.
Say, who say,
Nanado, but see the battle is the loss. Say, one so can be.
They say, I don't understand.
Oh, there be
my Baumia understand.
It
is possible. Nanado, dear, and then the battle is the loss.
And I'm saying, or can 2012 or can 2016 2022 catch what is all catch us the battle is the loss. One can it is like say politicians say what can I say no a through election time one and omunim nyame fie kwanko but otu abani ma mu wi a omunim nyame fie kwanko and then aso for it said there your mind sika kakra di pe na say come there Yankopon no frame me no so ti me hwame a any politician be ti ma hwame o ade asi ade hye ya dwemu no ya ma politicians use asofo sabi asofo binum e wo Ghana ha e binum so nim se om de mo afrofro nyama bim eti party binum ba omo ba kire omunti omo forso amasa party na wini we don't do that.
Asofo ne commission bebre na ye omafuti no mo
she omafuti no mo she bebre asofo bebre mo she kom na ye omafu se de be ya party ne ba ombenya ayi state one ayi omafu ebi mo anya Yankopon na akasa chrom enkom she ne bi wo ho a utimi hu se psychology not their share tina na make it say anya se menye nkom ti o but somewhere not na sorry anu na not na sorry anu.
Some will mine not don't mind.
That is the point. And once what's on them on and young people from one or no. What me allow you home with MPP? Because NDC for CPP for Chad and Crow for Afrofranto Obia and at least you know Tora go honor and just say film near pa. Yango boy yachirewa oh. O friend pedifo no catch up say na Yankopon ya kire me unum say kom se bebre no to re bo ha enye betwam ade unum say
oh okay
to re bo ha kom se bebre enye betwam o ya say enye betwam enu ntina emra David akofa obiyire emra Nathan ko ho no wan ko agoja betwam anka okọ ne ho upon the wall. I will catch him. What do you say? I did war and you between one day. It is so once I would die, sorry, I know. And yet, a MPP and us NDC from one. Would be sham come say. party wey dey be wini na other party no mo ho ne so opeso ka say na kire wo sana na wo dey the sort of division ba so obi kwa wan hwe kra na obi be ja so no akotre fie I know a lot of people because of this city they are in the house. And the other thing from me and say, oh, send a radia yachem to Mumo de say mobile word man a radi pa. What I say? A bet now so, but bedroom nice like say oh perfect. Yam 1 year or so. We was work a bia man yajuma. It work a bia man yajuma. I didn't just say we are needy. Let me in many. What's a young come shape reading bar? I am much say your juma. It's a bia say I'm the one that say a juma never mono. And I'm a penny crown and if I don't pack on I ain't in a kind of the juma account. Oh, be bad one said that maybe such as say, send your friend. Oh, because say your warduma. Oh, your warduma say, send your friends off from a better punch. That is it. Oba. And I will say, go on, sir. I am not so for no omunya access yet to memoir. Yenim said a man penny for the poem, even politicians no come young war upon your democrat say, so come and penny no one a yedding. Until be an so for ya me chen when ya access to man penny no. It was okay, says to say social media or instead of about one tin me be can. Nasa one would see a better man penny now, man as a better the balance. I'm another. Mammy, the person of me at say Christianity, I over. Who said there was too much attack on Christianity. Now Christianity has been a mockery. But let me tell you this. In 2024, Erade beso Christopher. Merci. As someone making 2024, Erade so Christopher. I'm best. Our election was also Christopher. Also Christopher. I was near obeying some company. Also Christopher. What did you say? Yamit me use a you be said way no media mind ways. Yes, what to me? Send you or the better than quite from the way yaba. And I make a chow say, mammy. The fact is that I don't doubt you. But the fact of the matter is that when years I was so more and your party back up pen and walk. Me ma sorry. And you be from one or and you this from one or I saw be brain nipa be brain a day. And walk. And she say nipa be brain oh dear. Say Radi be bitch me. Na bia me nim obi a oben na ma ka say oh everybody e say na kire me MPP for ekoye omo leadership election. I had a revelation who was going to win. Me frère madame Fubia me nim no MPP no say oh on come channel e true na obi so akasa asem ntini ye beka kire papa na monfa empa bontachi. It doesn't mean I should come and announce it just to fail. No. What they said I make a just say look at the performance to nase. Omo ne kan wa asem and perform to nase omo nya party ba ko pe. And they say, and I say, I saw for a political party attack inside, non this you to Aguso. And Nuntina politicians manipulating and nearly $58 million. Equal to Amana. I'm not very much. Cathedral man, almost heavy. I know that man, I can say, go bumpire or as a put out. Almost. Did you know? Otum for starting there 7,000. Obiante was here. Obiante, a whole nation. A see cathedral 5,000. Only to be see. That's what I'm saying. That a man Christosum a go for dear Mwagro. Those who said, dear now, we ye papa must so form. And dear no was on by ya. Send ya good day about Christosum. Ye chia ho efra manyosem o pese o ya manyosem a fa o puppet go into politics. Nobody stops you. Papa say obi me say maka tell me say the next 8 years time I'll be doing politics. I will not be preaching. Because the fact of the matter is, hey dear, na party a me komuno, and yet, sir, and conform one of my sorry mu. In order not to bring division, I have to be away from a sort of distance me home. Me kwa trans say a member of the church and a politician. You will be warriors on only a politicians. And the politician be anywhere, over microphone on kind of part of one sem. Obeka. What do you say? I know you're different than said so far we shall sorry so. Oba me who said o support to party we. It's wrong. Papa
you hana e papa Reverend Usibwati. Eba abonten beka say Ghana be ya eba betu nipa obefa mampani akonwa no. Dr. Mahamadou Bawumia. In fact all can catch say enye ono ni MPP twa kan do montemu nti e no de san commission eba no ko hu san commission o twen so kakra esan na fe do montemu nti o twen so hu say enye na ten kan o de hye kom no hu say enyame e na abie nani na pa so kire say ne commission bie ni ho a atofom a amamuda enu ensi ho a wo so be pa so ba abonten e be kire say afi abaso bi e betu bia na akwankire di achi o kire say mampeni dada enye mampeni otisu na na do dan ko kufaro na kwankire bai na yakonwa so tena ene enwo obehwe gu ni so we so de aba no kire say eye se obekwa akosesa anwea e wo 16 regions ni na no de aya kwankire e wo bebia esi akonya na nipa ode ni besi akonya so ono e na Ghana hebe ni se mampeni sam komhye we omo nyina so kire say nyame na abi omo nti dey tina baka say nyame na obede no say nyame na abi omo
me no omo nya adwene
anya wunti ana
anya sa anya mintia Ghana for kan sa dey we Ghana will be prosperous under Akufo-Addo Kusi-Boateng, the same Kusi-Boateng. But what men am kind? Enti se wa kan bi na amamudia ama Ghana fo nyina esu Ghana fo di apene a edeti na obeka bi mu amenyini me na nya adwen se na make cho mu say the fact is say it's better say rade ne bi o mani no yi che o mu a omunye ne kokua mu na de rade chi o so bedi nkunim no omumu an mani di nkunim
na say asofo nso ye Kristo fo so kwa asori ko bom paye ene ye wa sorry dem mu komhye ya na ya sorry dem na ya no mo hye no enti say politician na ko na sorry dem wo na se nyame abie na ni ne wo
time na o hye nkom no na sa politicians ni dem wo so only them what they are fine but no ni ho ana no ni ho tina beach say oka say Ghana will be a prosperous under Akufo-Addo oh anu pa what the pokobi I say enti ade ni say na mpesa me catch say ade ni say wo hu wo ye hu ya mfa bibi ti say so enya fato hu o hwehwe ni papa dwan on do ni nam e hwehwe ni papa dwan hu but ebna Samuel hu no o se odwan no ya eden ya hu no o ka che ni say wa fa na kwa gojire badwam a hye no nkom o de wugu ni so no ka che ni say nkom okwa obekwa kosia edifo na onso be hye nkom ti nkom hye de mechidi but the person can say one e ma na o hye nkom no na de o kan ho asem no no ni dem ho one two what can be ama ye hu say Ghana will be prosperous under Akufo-Addo and so Ghana for ya ko amanie mu pa ya ho akire yen enti we no Nyankopon di dra na eti ya ade ana nko frɛ no okukwam ana omu ye ho dwuma ana ba mu a oni pako na oba mu no obehu se oh yeah se amamu a members no Ghana for obi behu se wa hye nkomtro
na so ko kan okukwam so na ba mu a Ghana for hu nyame tumi
oh si hwe obi na afrɛ yin enyi nipa na frɛ yin eti se wo ye wadwe se wo pese wo ya de ma nipa hu a wo deviate from God obi na afrɛ yin enyi nipa na frɛ yin enu ti na asofo bebre adidi nipa chi amene Omoton enema wo ma so ndem ho no. Because the members no pen eno na eso ye den. Oye. Ebi so ne Nyankopon kan. So at the end of the day, who deceive one? That is the point. That is the point. Many ni say Awurade ka che so meja bedwam nka. Oyi kire no no wan ka nche ni say ko gira bedwam na eden. Neka. Opa je say Awurade anya nche so Samuel say so eye hen. Say go be ko ni krom di deda. I will catch you say, hey, Awurade say me meka nche mu nyina say munsi so wanya ne sa. What do I say? Enti antibi wo ho a we options I wo ho. Enipa oni wo ho no. Na hwe say omu nyina age wasem na tumu ana all hye nkom no. The only people who they were happy was MPP sympathizers who were there. Other side were quiet. What's your video? Okay. That is it. So at the end of the day, no, you are bringing division in your church.
Papa maso for do so mo den nyam komhye. Ni mo akwa say eye kasentwi. Be na hini Ghana idi Founders Day. Yema bini ba wonte be kasai e kire niema akwa me kroma baaye no. Oye any wo mo e kan ho boa no. Emma o mutimi je Ghana si wo de maye. Eno ensemi obeka yi Prophet Kofi Oduro ba wonte. Ebe ka kasentwi bi me bi mo kwa ba wonte aba atake ne say so fo so nkasasa. Eno nti wo mo so a o mo den nyam komhye de mo eye kasentwi a omo kasa di tia politicians ni asofo no bi na e hye nkomo no so papa den na wo ka kire.
You see the fact and say before answer na obi be babonten akakasa atwie no na wo de wo hwe Ghana ha upon all joke yentimi enfo bi ti se Kwame Nkrumah entoto fom dem ka wata se ukoko bi ti se South Africa, Guinea, Zaire, those countries omo heri Nkrumah. When Kwame Nkrumah was talking about African Union, not European Union, was on the European Union, but what I say? The reason why I Babonten said, okay, said, former president, the late president Atamils, HR 2 cities. Or the one thing that 18 at also. That's kind of way. Who be the same? Deliberately, will be an address, sir. Or per se, or wipe it. I know go school one. History and I go to near can be hobby. Because of Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. It is will be an address, sir. Deliberately, or per se, or wipe it somebody because of say, or mono ideology needed in your power. You can't. Because look at the kind of lava Ghana form a woman Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. And at the end of the day, factories that Dr. Kwame Nkrumah see in no. And I'm not every opinion is for at all. You understand? So, me no, I don't know, but sure, politicians for no. Almost saying Kassetri. Manga Chawana Meboa. Because, no, sure, upon all joke. Obi, eti miba politics in 4 years. Onye Juma. And so obeti mi ato isle go dan. Onye scanway. Send it to yan. Tell them guys say, omo yenya generational thinkers. Omo morning na me hu generational thinkers bia wo. Eti me obi ya so o the thing is say so obi yi wa 10 a eso jitu. O ya de na onipa ko ne ka cho say nya. Enya. This say obi akwakoja incite the church against Christianity no. Me was say nipa ko ya anso say yesi o meyi ni ti enfa no de so Christianity na say meyi ti for so who incite on for against the person. That is not right. Oh, eti nkofo bu a ese mo ye treat no nkofo bu no wan treat no mo be chia. Oh, eti the fact of the matter me person catch on say sofu bia Obe na adwen say or kasa because of person oba enkofo hu say o tumi bia no sa asofo no ni tumi bia obi o kasa
amani pe hu so wo tumi
o ni hwe
papa yenda se pass oba na obe chicho
unim say da bia kasa Ankre empty barrel makes the most noise. That is it. Because obia or you catch may you say obwa oni hwe ehunhuna pepe. It is set Ghana for abaya ye kwakoto yi. Enye NDC enye MPP. It's about Ghana. No mo hwe omodachi. Hwe de bia me catch say udo pa mienya independent candidate to rule this nation. No ni ba ko ne ba udo on for MPP kakra NDC kakra no for mumu oman within 4 years Ghana ebeko yanim but ya nhwe ye ne ya manyame amam ne ya adwen say nipa we bre ne ho ase nipa we nipa we a will be deceived because ya won't be pen eti Ghana for hwe ni ye ko bebe yetu no it's about Ghana memenya say dam ka cho no MPP NDC ana sabi Jimmy Ghana a problem ye me ensape enu ani tie ye MPP free eso ne ye NDC free eso ne ye Jimmy free eso a Ghana beko anim dey time make cho say Jimmy kan won say ya say obi akobo bosia oho o de bicycle eko parliament na wakokoto V8 it doesn't make sense.
Okay.
Obi edi COVID-19 sika dua bro woni krum wo de wo ye ne de yetimi koto politan na de ye de politan decision no ne board de say politan se no ejimi it is a sabe ye ja MPP NDC ni jimi a Ghana e bako yanim na me nhira mo
you e papa ene e botse ne nka na one yen akasa kire se Ghana ha ye hawo ye miensa pe NDC MPP ene sabi jimi ye just and me Ghana ye beko enu afi so say abato it's about Ghana first ye dachi enu nti ye hwese beko akoto aba no asumdwem na asumdwe o Ghana ha no yakoso abo ho ba bisa asumdwe o we ne bo eye den pa aha eye too much gye that say we amre na ni e kai ho emi hwehwe enkuru eye subscribe ma channel we emi adoma no say na upload bi a unsa bitimi akaya follow yen so ewo Facebook too much ebusian ko me post so ya me hu adwenche ewo comment section no ase makra